Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Paterson, and welcome back to a new video. Today we're starting off the new series of Come Design With Me, and I'm super excited. Now, for anyone who doesn't actually know what Come Design With Me is, it is a design challenge. These design challenges have been to do with branding, logo design, and getting your work out there. And basically you guys decide on the winner of the design competition who wins a prize at the end. Well, this time in this series, I wanted to sort of up the stakes, but not only that, I actually wanted to do it a bit differently to save my mental health and the time pressure that it takes. We're going to be doing it in a bit more of an easy fashion, but the stakes are 100% higher. So this video is sort of like the creative brief for the first project, and it's going to be fun to do. So this is the brief video for Come Design With Me, and anyone from any experience, as long as you're over the age of 16, can take part in Come Design With Me. So this video is the brief for Come Design With Me, so I'm going to be telling you the concept, what you have to do. Now, do not fear, this is not a huge project, because the project will change every week and it's going to be really fun. So bear with me for a second whilst I explain this new series. Anyone who subscribes to me, watches my videos, who's watching this video and who wants to take part can. All you have to do is apply with the link down below. That'll take you to a little type form which I will get information that I need from you to take part in this. But not only that, I'm going to be selecting people to take part. Now, the stake of this competition is a $250 Amazon gift card voucher. Anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, I'll give it to you. So let me just tell you what we're going to be doing for the first week of Come Design With Me. For the first week, we're going to be actually designing an app called Bonsai. This app is a mindfulness and meditation app for creatives and designers who work in a stressful job. So basically any designer. Your task is to design a simple logo, icon, and also very simply prototype an app. The app has to be simple and out of the way so we can actually have some headspace on there. You don't actually have to have any headspace content. We just need to know how the app will run, and you can design this on Adobe XD. That is the first brief of Come Design With Me. Now let me explain how this competition is going to work. When you apply to the link down below in the description, you will be applying to be part of the whole competition. Now when you do that, I get all your information and I see your portfolio and I see everything that you do. It doesn't matter what experience or skill set you have, it would be awesome for you to apply. I will then put you against another designer. Now the designer who wins actually stays in the process and someone else has to boot him out, and you guys are the ones that are going to vote who wins in each video. Each week, the brief and the actual challenge will change to a different brief, and it's not going to be a huge brief. It's something that you can do in about an hour, and I only want people to work for about an hour on the project and basically film what they do when they're doing it. What have I actually got myself into? I wanted to do better Come Design With Me, and I think this is going to take even longer. So instead of having everyone just submit a logo and staying with one project throughout the whole design challenge, I thought we should just do multiple projects and then put designers to the utmost competitive nature, which is to see which one can win Come Design With Me through their skill set. So let me explain this one more time how it works. Apply down below and then design whatever the brief is, and you should not spend more than an hour on this design. Then you send it back to me the way that I asked for it to be sent back. There can only be one designer that can win in Come Design With Me, so we're putting you head to head against each other to do this. So if you think you've got what it takes and you just want to have a bit of fun and really be the best designer and win this next series of Come Design With Me, and then not only that, but win a $250 Amazon gift card voucher and be interviewed by me on the channel, hear about your design process and really get to know you, click that link. Go ahead and click it, apply, show me what you've got, and I'll put you into the competition. A little side note that everyone who is part of this competition can only be a part if you subscribe and turn on bell notifications, because it literally relies on you guys watching these videos for the competition to work. So if you want to be a part of it, go ahead and do it. I'm going to put the creative brief for the first competition down below as well for you. It's not a huge one because it is meant to be very vague. That's the idea of this competition. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the designer den when we finally start Come Design With Me again. See you soon. Goodbye.